low energy or low motivation for today's workout, tap in with this flow so you could power up in less than 10 minutes. So we're going to start by coming down into downward dog and just focusing on our breathing throughout this, because yoga is different from stretching in the aspect of breathing. So just breathe as you lower yourself into the stretch, and you can feel your spine releasing, try and lower your feet to the ground. And then I want you to take a deep breath and exhale yourself into a plank position, and keep your alignment of your shoulders with your wrists. Try and just feel the spine aligned, and your head, pull it a bit forward. Keep your feet, pull them a bit backward, and really lengthen yourself. Feel the strength throughout your whole body. And then we decompress. Exhale into this cobra, like an extended cobra stretch. Call it a upward dog. Go ahead and just focus on your breathing, while also feeling the power in your body and energizing ourselves with the oxygen flowing. Take a deep breath and exhale back into that downward dog, and adjust your feet. If you're on your tippy toes, that's okay. With time and practice, you will be able to bring your feet down to the mat. Okay? It's important to be strong, but it's important to be mobile and flexible, especially as we get older. We need that balance of both, the best of both worlds. Just breathe. And now we're going to start by bringing our left foot forward, aligning, making like a 90-degree angle with that front foot. We're doing a power lunge. Well, just a lunge, guys. And just breathe. We're going to hold it. And if you notice, we're holding these poses to maximize the strength and power in combination with the deep breathing. Okay, inhale up, using the power in your heel in that front foot. And if you can, let's practice balance with your hands meeting them in the middle above your head. If you want to bring them down to your head, that's okay. If you can extend those arms, that's cool too. If not, that's cool too. We're all at different levels. Just focus on the breathing and the form. You want that front leg in a 90-degree angle. Exhale your hands down to the mat, okay? And then we're going to, just continue with the lunge. And this is really drawing power for the quads and the thighs. If you have a leg day coming up and you need a little motivation, this is for you. Let's extend that leg back, or just kick your leg back. Just put your leg back. Okay? Breathe. And we're back into our downward dog, making a triangle with our body. And you can really feel the extension in your lower back, especially. So bring the other side forward. This time bring your right foot forward. Back to our lunges. Just keeping that spine lengthened and extended. It's okay to take the time to find your position too, because we'll go for proper form any day. So push up from your heel, draw the power when you inhale. Okay, rise up, take a breath, exhale, and then rise your hands up above like we did on the other side, and really challenge the body. You might be feeling real good already, and it hasn't even been 5 minutes yet. So let's come on and bring your hands down to the mat. Okay. Still focusing on the lunge. You can shift some of that weight to your arms, because these lunges are for real. So let's come on and extend your leg back, or just kick your leg back, guys. Okay. And then adjust your feet. If you're on your tippy toes again, that's okay. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And we breathe through the nostrils down to our bellies as much as we can in a slower practice like this. And then I want you to come on up onto your knees. We're just kneeling. Okay? And this feels so good in my quads right now. And then we're going to do a bit more of an extension by doing a half camel. And so what you do is reach back with your right foot. You should actually bend your feet. Yeah. Reach back with your right foot and extend. Reach back with your left hand and extend your right hand up. So touch your foot with one hand. Reach your hand up with the other. Okay? Just breathe. And this really was helping, because I'm going to share soon this lower body workout I've been doing, because I'm trying to shape my quads a bit. So I'm focusing on that spot. And I'm also doing nutrition and hydration, and as you can see, this full body, mind, body, spirit. So do it on the other side too. Let's go. And just breathe. And we forget about our feet in training a lot, and our wrists and our hands. And this flow really encompasses everything. You'll see in a second. So just take a moment to let the body recover and prepare. And now let's come on up. We're going to do a reverse tabletop. So you see how my hands are facing the same way as my feet, and my kneecaps are at a 90-degree angle, trying to line your body like we do in the other tabletop, but this is the reverse. And this is so good for your hands and your wrists and your arms, your whole body, I'm not going to name every part. So just lay down on the mat, back into our reclined position, and we're just going to focus again on breathing and feel how the energy, just feel how you're feeling more powered up now. Notice. All right, until next time, these are some of the moves I would use, or average flow I would use to power up if I was, needing a little motivation. Get the likes up if you want more videos like this.